Thought I'd make a short video on this real quick on this eafengrow EF967 pocket knife. Uh, since the beginning of the year, in the past 6 months, I think I've bought over 90 new knives. I just counted them the other day. And this EF 967 has the absolute best action out of any knife I own. It just it feels absolutely flawless. They had to have put a reverse detent track in this because as soon as it falls on the lock bar, it is just fall shut. No shake required. Absolutely amazing knife in D2 tool steel.